And there's no chance for any chemicals to contaminate anything. It's beautiful, yeah.
See how it looks. Let me know what you think in the comments.
Goodbye, pocket door.
When she asks you to put a cat door in the corner. Well, fuck.
It's got a little issue. Oh my god. Oh my. You ready for my video?
Shorten these wires up a little bit. Damn it, Kyle! Oh my god!